Hey friends, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much to each and every new subscriber that has joined us. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my world. We are at 650 as for today, and I thank you so much. Please keep subscribing. Please keep watching my videos. Thank you to all those notification gang. Yay! I see you, my people. So if you want to know how I achieved these two meals, watch this video. The first meal is going to be spaghetti and meatballs, and the next meal is going to be chicken marinated in yogurt and spices. So stick along. Let's get into the video. The first thing I do when making my meatballs, I'll take a few slices, maybe three or four, depending on the size, on the amount of the meat. And then I'll remove all the crust, add cold water, and then I'm going to stir, become soggy and all that. And then after that, I'm going to add my minced meat, onion, and then from there I'll add onions, all the spices, salt. Once I've mixed the minced meat and all the spices together, I'm going to roll the meat into small balls, and then I'm going to roll it over flour and make sure, the point here is to make sure that the balls are fully covered with flour. As you can see, our balls are ready and they are well rolled and ready to go to the next step, which is a shallow frying them. I know at this point our meatballs are not yet fully cooked, but don't worry, we are going to cook them fully in our next step.
No one can do it like you.
going to reduce the heat and make sure that my meatballs are cooking under very low heat so that they can cook completely.
No one can do it like you.
And just like that, guys, our spaghetti meatballs meal is ready and it is so delicious. Go ahead and try it out and come back later and tell me how it all went. You guys, the meatballs were so yummy, they were spicy and very delicious. So go ahead and try it out. Chicken, there are two ways you can add your spices. One of it is the way I've done mine, and the second one, which I use most of the times, is take yogurt and add all the spices into the yogurt and then mix them and then pour the mixture in the chicken and then mix and then marinate. So yeah, so I'm done mixing all the spices and I'm going to leave the chicken for an hour or an hour and a half before I begin cooking it. So next I'm going to prepare all the ingredients that I need for the next step, and here I'm blending tomatoes together with tomato paste. I don't know whether I'm the only one who does this, but I add my tomato paste when I'm blending my tomatoes. Also, I don't add any water when I'm blending my tomatoes. Our second meal is ready and I can't wait to dig in. I love this combination. And you guys, thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. Please remember to subscribe, remember to share, leave a comment, like, share. Like, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace. Love you guys.